Gonna play with grandma, with dada, and then you're going back to the backyard that you love so much, baby.
Well, come back here. You got something to say? Come here and say it.
Salty. You don't like dried fish, and then that's really...
Dry salty. This is way less salty.
No. Everything. What is that? Daming tao ngayon, guys. As in. At saka ang pulaw. Oh my god. Anyway, good morning, guys. Early tayo. And nakalimutan ko namang i-close ito. So now, punta na kami sa isang bahay. But before that, let me check over here. Hi, guys. Sige, guys. Ipasok natin itong mga asit. Good girl. You stay there, okay? Stay. Good. Oh, okay, go. Okay, go. No, sit. Stay, huh? Stay. What's your tail? Yeah. Holy cow. There would be, stay there. Be a good girl, huh? Tignan nyo, guys. It's been a while na. You be a good girl. I'm through with standing in line, We're gonna go get Dada. Roxy, we're gonna go see Dada. Yes, you're gonna go see Dada. That's what we're going to do. Da da dee dee, da 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 dee dee. Okay, guys, let's go, guys. You guys see my pups? Careful, huh? Because Mama's going to drive. Okay. Okay, get down. Get down. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, we're gonna go see Dada very soon. Hala, I forgot to... Okay. That's fine. I forgot to shut the light off. It's so dark, guys. I will see you later, guys. I will see you later because it's dark. Hindi nyo rin sila makikita. So, we're gonna play with grandma, with Dada, and then you're going back to the backyard that you love so much, baby. Because there are a lot of squirrels over there. There's squirrels. There is a lot of I don't have any idea, but there's a lot of squirrel over there. My baby would love to go back over there and play with Dada, and we surprise grandma. We're almost there. We're almost gonna get see Dada and play with Dada. Yes? Yes, we are. Yes, we are, baby. We're exiting now. Exiting. We're going to exit now, baby. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Hold on, baby. Hold tight, baby. Hold tight. Hold tight. Hold tight. I told you. I told you. I told you to hold tight, baby. I told you to hold tight because we're almost there. We're turning now, baby. We're turning now, baby. Hold tight, baby. Hold tight. Hold tight, baby. Hold tight. Hold tight, baby. Yes. Yes. We're gonna be home very soon. We're gonna go start Dada very soon, baby. Where is Misty Calls? Is Misty here? Did I lose Misty? Did Misty jump in the car? Did Misty jump in the car? Hold on, baby. You guys hold, okay? Hold. Yes, we're gonna be here. I hope Misty's in the back. I hope Misty doesn't open the door and jumpy. Yes, we're gonna see Dada very soon. We're almost home and the dog are very behaved. Right, Rox? Oh my goodness, the two of you are so good. I love it so much. I love it. Akong kinain. You barking? Who you barking? Hi guys. We're here. Nandito na kami. Roxy and Misty jump in Tommy's bed. And so tulog pa sila. Tommy is They're hugging each other. Hubs, Dimples. Roxy and Dada and Misty. Yay! It's 7:40 now ng umaga, guys. Having pancake and egg, and I don't know if I can't finish that. I had coffee. Where's Misty? Do you want some pancake? How about Roxy? Roxy want pancake? Oh, Roxy want pancake? Oh, of course. Of course, Roxy want pancake. Oh, si Roxy at saka Misty, confused sila. Confused si Roxy. Roxy is confused. Misty too. they don't know what they're doing. What are you guys doing under the table, huh? What is she? Are you confused? Do we want to go out this way?
It's nutty. But I can't see you, so I talk to you when I can't see you. You have to come here. Well, I'll come here where I can see you. I can't see you over there. Well, come back here. You got something to say? Come here and say it.
Can we get
See?
that?
Misty's coming here and say it. See, Misty comes, but she don't want to talk. She just want to get pet. Oh, now you want to come. Because Misty came. All you do is she left any pieces of bone for you.
Tignan nyo guys, daming DVD at saka CDs over here. Kahit ano, inano ko to, nilagay ko sila dito para dalhin sa bahay, pero it's not practical to carry all this. I'm just gonna, you know, pilian ko lang sila guys, what to bring and what to donate. So I'm gonna pick over here, and yeah, so let's get started. Oh, this is what, ito yung naano ko, na i-keep dalhin sa isang bahay, dalawang box, pero maliit lang sila nga box. Andun yun, yung isa. Anyway, so, we try to cut Roxy and Misty's nails, guys. So, we did cut Misty, because Misty is behaving. But we're struggling, guys, for Roxy, guys. Tammy is holding Roxy, and she just keep wiggling.
She's a crazy little puppy.
Right there, she wiggle, guys, like, oh my god, she doesn't care if she break her bone, and that's what I'm worried about. She doesn't care. She just don't want it, like, don't want it. She doesn't care if she get hurt. She's just listening at me right now, guys, talking, guys, like, that's who she is. Yes, you're a bad dog. Misty is a good dog. Yes, Missy is a good dog. Mga puppy, no? We can't even imagine, guys, no, 12 o'clock na. Still have to think for dinner here. We're gonna eat here. And Roxy is sleepy, guys, because she woke up really early. Can I tell you something? Like 11:55 this last night.
Yeah.
She barked, honey. She is barking like crazy, and I was awake, and then I kind of worried that bark, like she's trying to call me, that bark. So I came down, and then I let them out. So Roxy pee and then poop. So I think that's what it is, right? So babalik ako doon kasi may isa pang malaking box na dapat kong pagpilian yan. So Tam is eating the saltiest food in America. What is it, Han?
Super sad.
Super sad. I feel like
Italian dry sausage.
salty. You don't like dried fish, and then that's really
dry sausage. It is way less salty.
no.
Are you kidding?
No, honey. Yeah, you try one and you imagine salty because it's dried fish, and you think salt is covered up with salt. But you're thinking wrong.
You're wrong. How do you think they dry it?
There is unsalted one.
They load it with salt until it sucks all the water out of it.
If this house is nice, and this is a nice house. If the floor is changed to wood and repaint, arrange everything, It's nice and open this. I don't know if you can open this wall right here. Oh no, you can't.
No,
Oh,
fire. The chimney is behind it.
the chimney is right here.
And here.
Oh, there is another one here.
Yeah, the whole thing.
Somebody.
The whole thing is chimney right there.
So if somebody will put this house and wanna open,
No. Can't blast it. You can come through here and go forward.
about in here,
No.
you cannot. So, but guys, if somebody will put this house and you know, and this house, and then have money to redo everything, this is the good house for a strong house, guys. Some in the basement, Tommy open up the wall because to just a little inch to get rid of that to bring the refrigerator. So when Tommy open it, you can see through inside. It's double up, like how many walls, like it's like so strong, like plywood, rock, plywood. No, not plywood, it's a wood. It's like it's really, huh? Yeah. And then this house, that was 2005. I don't know, 2005. I'm not here. 2013. What is that? The storm, hun, that hit. The strong storm.
Andrew.
No, the one I was here, hun.
Oh.
Sandy. That was really strong, and the wind and the trees and everything. This house, you don't even feel the movement. Little wind, guys, over in the house, you hear everything. What is that? No, I don't get it.
Wizard of Oz house was picked up in a tornado.
Ah, okay. It's a nice house. Nice neighborhood too. I love the neighborhood. And it's 3 stories plus basement. A real basement. Not the basement that we have in the other house. It's a big basement. In our
fine, it's just unfinished.
Our house over there?
It's unfinished.
It's not a real basement. Because it's like there is the other wall is not really underground.
No,
it's like out.
Well, because of the pitch of the land.
Yeah, because it's a hilly thing, for
It's
example.
half underground.
Yeah, half is underground, half is not. But it's really big basement, guys. This basement is small, but
Space was bigger than you think.
no, honey. Like I never been here. And all you have to do is like over here and a little space over there and a little laundry area. Tapos na ako nitong isa, so dito na naman tayo. Okay, ito yung nakuli ko sa isang box. Nilagay ko lahat nung hindi ko ayaw kong dalhin. Hi, Misty. So anyway, so I got, this is what I kept from this box. And thankfully I found a lot of, well, it's not a lot. I found some Christmas music here. Yeah, VHS. Yeah, ito yun. So I keep some of it, even though we don't have a player for this cassettes. And Tommy said he has a player for those things. This is like Christmas. Ito yun, guys, parang mga Christmas yung iba na movie. The Santa Claus. Yeah, Matrix, you know, family favorite movie. And my favorite show ever that makes me cry. You know, that makes me cry. It's not how do you call that? Hindi siya ano, guys, movie, show siya, show. So nasan ba yun? I want them to come back of filming or remake the show. Where is it? Ito, guys, if you want to see Merlin, you guys should watch, you know, even though, but you should watch it. It's a show. I think how many seasons there are, I don't know. I think it's just 3 seasons. But you should watch this. It's a really, really good show. Hey. Yes, hello, baby. Tignan nyo, guys, parang mga buang, oh. Takaragdagan. Hey, what are you guys doing? Hey, what are you guys doing? What's in there? Hey, can you please let me know? Can you please tell me what's in there? Anong meron? Anong meron? Anong meron? Tignan nyo, guys. Yung ilong ni Roxy nagdi-drip na. Tumutulo kasi anong meron dyan, Rox? Rox, what's in there, baby? Huh? What's in there? What's in there? What's in there? What's in there, baby? There, baby. Nagluluto ako, guys. I'm making lamb. Why this camera? It's weird. There's another one here. We're just gonna give Kinde a what?
You're gonna hang up. You are.
No, I'm not.
Yes.
Yes, you are going to. There's a lot of people out there, guys. Maraming tao ngayon, guys. Doon yung kapitbahay namin, guys. Merong kung may mga decoration ba. Daming tao ngayon, guys. As in. Anyway, Tammy and I was outside. Nandun kami sa labas. Daming mga tao, guys. Daming tao. At saka, yun, tapos na yung isang bag. Tapos na, binuhos ko lahat. At saka, maraming KitKat. Seems like the kids love KitKats daw. So yun, nagluluto lang ako, guys. And then we're gonna have dinner later. Yeah, so, yung, ano ba ang kakainin namin? Potato, sweet potato. At saka yung gulay at lamb. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. Ano ng oras? 8:43 na. Dito na lang ako matutulog. Bukas na kami aga. Bukas na kami aalis, guys. And very early tomorrow. And yeah, so hopefully the dog will stay here and don't go upstairs and jump on bed. But anyway, guys, good night, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Halloween, everyone. I know it's late, but happy Halloween. Bye. Oh, anyway, nasabi ko ba na yung candy natapos lahat at saka marami pang mga bata. Nakakahiya kasi I think we have like 5 bags. I think 6 bags of candies because we have 1 in the house. We have 3 in the house and we have I think 3 bags over here too. So natatapos lang lahat malalaking bag na chocolates. Natapos yun lahat at saka marami pang mga bata, guys. Hindi pa natapos lahat pero natapos na yung candy namin. So we grab the bucket and then we close the lights because we don't want the kids just keep going and we don't have nothing to give. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Bye bye. Banana monkey.
Couple eggs.
That's small egg.